Hi team. So today I'm going to discuss about one of the most important interview question. So that is a SQL key. So SQL keys are two types. One is a primary key and foreign key. There are other keys as well, but these two keys are very important in SQL. So primary key is which is used to identify the unique records in the table. Okay, so let's take it won't if you assign a primary key example in a customer ID. So in the customer ID 1 2 3 is there. Okay, so 1 2 3 you have these IDs. So if I try to insert the third same customer ID, so this will throw an error, violation error. Okay, and also you can it won't allow the duplicates basically. Okay, so that is the one characteristics. Okay, and another one is null values. Okay, so when you assign any primary key, you need to mention that not null constraint, because a primary column should not be a null value. It's always a value which is a valid IDs. It should not be a duplicate value. Okay, so when you create a primary key, it by default creates a clustered index. Okay, so the index which creates when you create a primary key, and it will be very useful to perform the database performance. It increases the database performance when you assign a primary key, and it creates an index, right? So index also which is used to increase the DB performance. Okay, so now let's come into foreign key. So foreign key characteristics basically, so we have a parent table and we have a child table. Example, this is my parent table and here is my child table. Okay, so my parent table is called customer, and so my parent table is customer, and I have a sales. Okay, so these two tables are there. Okay, in these two tables, okay, order table is there. These two tables, so one is a primary key table, another one is a foreign key table. So usually SQL will call it as a RDBMS language because it's a relational database management system. Okay, each table is related with the some other table, so that's why we call it as a relational tables. Okay, so obviously a primary key and foreign key table relationship will be there. If you take here customer ID is the primary key, and similar customer ID should be available in um, foreign key table as well, so that you can make the relationship between both the tables in the format of, so first one is the parent table and order will be the child table. So like this way the relationship will go. Okay, and foreign key, if you take in primary key, it will allow duplicates, right? It won't allow duplicates. Okay, but foreign key will allows the duplicates and null values. Okay, so that is one of the other characteristics of foreign key. So foreign key is basically a just relate with the parent table to child table. Okay, so it referenced with the more primary key tables. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.